how to transfer all your emails and databases of Outlook to a new device. There are two scenarios for that. First is that you are using, whether using a Microsoft 365 service of Outlook account, or whether you are using a local POP account. So on the first case, mostly for Microsoft account users, mostly everything is stored in the server. So the thing you have to do is to go to your new computer or device, anything, and just install Outlook and log into your specific Microsoft account which you have logged in now with your old computer, and everything would be there. But if you're using a local POP account or something, then firstly you need to go to this upper top left corner section in file, and you need to you need to you will see an option called export and download. Yeah, because I'm in a Microsoft account, so it's not there. And you could you can just download all your databases from the Outlook to external drive, and take that drive to a new computer or device, anything, and just go there and upload it, upload the file which you have downloaded in your external drive. So this is how you can share your Microsoft Outlook database to your new computer. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for future videos like this.